In front of me is Motorola Moto G04 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting Photos app and clicking on Photos or Library at the bottom. If you want to delete your pictures from photos, hold one of them and use this type of dot at the top right corner. To exclude some of those photos and keep a chosen one, click on it, and to get rid of the rest, use delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from library, click on it. Then hold one of your pictures over here and use the same type of icon. This time though, the bin icon is located at the top, so just click on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!